I am a musician turned politician, and I only turned to politics because I wanted to assert what I had been singing about. And I'm a leader of a political party called the National Unity Platform and the People Power Movement. I ran for president in 2021, and I believe we won, although we never got chance.
His Excellency Bobi Wine, ku nsonga za firimu ye eya Bobi Wine the People's President, atambudde ne Babi nga bagenze ku nsonga z'okubeera nti firimu eyo yalangiriddwa okuzannyibwa ku mutendera gw'ensi yonna. Firimu eno yanominatingiddwa ng'emu ku zibeera kuzisinze omwaka firimu z'omwaka, n'olw'ensonga eyo Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu y'ensonga eyamututte mu ggwanga erya America okulaba nti firimu ye eronkingibwa. Firimu eno yali yakwoleka bikolwa bya bwannakyemalira ebigenda mu maaso mu ggwanga erya Uganda. Abantu bangi baali balaba Mwami Museveni nga bamulaba ng'omununuzi wa Uganda, nga bamulaba ng'omuzira eri Uganda, kubanga bakimanyi nti yajjira ku mmundu yayita mu kulwana ntalo ng'asindiikiriza Milton Obote. Bo ne balowooza nti olaba emyaka gyakulemberedde eggwanga Uganda ali myaka 35 agenda 40, naye bannayuganda bakyamulonda, kitegeeza bamwagala. Kye yabakolera omulimu omulungi. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu kwe kwoleka ebikolwa ebituufu ebiri ewaka. Na lwaki Mwami Museveni alemedde ku buyinza? Nti si lwakuba bannayuganda be bamulonda nti bamwagala, wabula yeeremezaawo ku maanyi g'emmundu. N'abawo obujulizi obulaga abuyisa mu firimu eyo, obulaga butya Mwami Museveni bwawangulwamu akalulu ke. Okuva olwo bakkiriza nti wamma Uganda etudde ku maggwafu. Bulijjo tulaba kifaananyi kirala, kumbe n'ekifaananyi ekiri ewaka e Uganda kirala nnyo. Haji Setuwa musomi w'edduwa yabikutuusaako. Mweyune omubuulire ensonga zo. Haji Setuwa omukubira ku ssimu ye eri 0703 31 39 25. Mukubireko akusomere ku ddwaze, ojja kukakasa nti wamma wali abasajja Mukama be yawa ekisa ayita buyisi mu kusoma dduwa bw'ebibyo ne bitereera.
Musician turned politician Bobi Wine and his wife Barbie Chakulani. They're powerful activists at the center of the Academy Award nominated documentary Bobi Wine, the People's President. Welcome.
Thank you so much, George.
Tell us about your activism in your home country of Uganda.
Well, I am a musician turned politician, and I only turned to politics because I wanted to assert what I had been singing about. And I'm a leader of a political party called the National Unity Platform and the People Power Movement. I ran for president in 2021, and I believe we won, although we never got a chance to swear in.
And you captured this story in the documentary.
Yes, they did. I'm part of the documentary, so I was privileged to be part of the documentary, yes. Yes.
Tell us what you're trying to tell people, what you hope people will take away from this.
We hope that the people will see what's happening in Uganda for what it is exactly. They should know that the people of Uganda are struggling so hard to retain their democracy and resisting anything that stops them from having their human rights. And they're fighting a despot who's been there for over 38 years. And being the young nation that there is, they have a leader in Bobi Wine, and he is like heading the movement and fighting with them.
As we said, your film has been nominated for an Oscar. You were under some difficult circumstances when you found out you were under house arrest?
Yes, we were under house arrest.
We've been under house arrest very many times.
Yeah, but when they announced our nomination for the Oscars, we were under house arrest, which he had escaped.
So you were on the run?
Yes.
Yeah, I was on the run from the military.
Yeah.
It was interesting because she had actually succeeded in also getting out of home, and she had found me in my hiding place. So when the news was broken to us, we screamed, forgetting that we were in hiding, and we are glad we were not caught. Then, of course, it was a mixture of emotions, tears, and tears of joy. But again, interestingly, and that's the power of film, that very day after the announcement, the military withdrew from our house.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. What is the impact of something like an Oscar nomination on your fight, on your struggle?
Well, first, it was an opportunity, a big opportunity for us to invite the world into our struggle in Uganda. Since everything in Uganda, all information is tightly controlled, so this was a way of smuggling the truth out of Uganda. And this film being nominated in an Oscar is another layer of protection to us, because now the world is watching what's happening in Uganda. We are very thankful for this film and the platform.
Let's give the world a look.
Inside this vehicle, Bobi Wine returning home. The very fact that he's been allowed to come here is a big political victory for him and a moment of joy for his supporters.
He told them he would end 3 decades of one man's rule. And in a country where 3/4 of the population is under 35, the promise is intoxicating.
So powerful. Before we go, I have to ask you, so you go from house arrest in Uganda to meeting Ken and Barbie in Los Angeles?
Yes, we were at this luncheon, the Oscars nominees luncheon, and we were in a room where all the superstars were, and I could not let that moment slip. So I approached him and asked him for a picture, which he gladly accepted to have. Of course, he had been in Uganda before, and he was glad to take a picture with me. It was one moment that I will keep close to my heart, yes.
Good luck with your film and good luck with your fight.
Thank you
for coming
so
in today.
much. Thank you very much.